ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. I am very late today. I don't know if I'll reach on time to office today. Let's see. ಈ ರಾ ಪವರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ Camry is very good, man. Like ಆ ಫುಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಎಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, keeps you on your toes. My right handle, the mirror on my right side actually vibrates a lot, man. I have no idea why. Like compared to the left, it is more. I never noticed it until yesterday. On that ride, it suddenly started vibrating. I'm like, what's going on? And I'm looking at it, and the right mirror was vibrating a lot. Finally, man, I reached office. Let's go get some work done. I will see you in the evening, man.
6 hours later.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದೆ. ಪಕ್ಕದಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನು ಇವಾಗ? ಬುದ್ಧಿಗಿದ್ದಿ ದೇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನ. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲೇಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ? ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ಕಲಿ. ಏನೋ ಥರ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಓಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಅಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ರಿ, ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೂ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿಗೂ ಏನೂ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉರಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗಾಡಿಗಾದರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
A few moments later.
It's not good because I could see the fear on the passenger's face, man. It wasn't worth it, but it does hurt. Like, it genuinely does hurt when, because of someone else, something you love gets hurt. So all you had to do was give a little space, that's it, man. Watch where I am going, what I'm doing, and keep his ego aside. That's it. That is all, man. Nothing would have happened if he was just a little careful and kept a little gap. That's it. When he was taking that left and coming in front, I saw him. I decided to move away from him. I could have held my own and gone straight, but I didn't want to cause the scene or anything. I didn't want to, I didn't want him to hit me, so I kept going left only until the road in front of me was empty. It was when I went ahead, accelerated and went ahead. But if someone comes in front, you'll obviously stop, right? So that's what I did. I slowed down when he hit me from behind. It was that's all. And it's not that I braked hard. No, I was already slow. Yeah, maybe if I accelerated too much and then suddenly braked, yeah, maybe. But no, I didn't do that. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. See you in another one. Ride safe.